Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to learn how to create a blog website in Webflow. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Webflow website by typing webflow.com. You will see the login page. To get started, click on the Get Started button. Enter your email address to open the dashboard. Next, insert your first and last name. And then click the Continue button. Now, choose the purpose for which you are building a website. Select the type of site you want. Today, we are creating a blog site. So, let's select the option and continue. If you are a beginner, it's advisable to choose a template. Here, you will find a list of templates that you can filter by category and pricing. Select templates that best suit your needs. Name it and start editing. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. So just wait until the site editor page opens. Now that you are on the editor page, we have 8 steps to complete in order to build our blog website. The first step, which is creating a site, is already complete. Let's move on the second step, changing color, fonts, and classes. On the right side of your screen, you can edit and change the color, the font, and the class of your site's design. The third step is replacing the image with your own brand's image. The fourth step is modifying the layouts of your template. On the left side of your screen, there are different sections that allow you to change the layouts of your website. The 3 main sections of templates are the hero section, the category section, and the main section. By following these categories, you can customize your blog site to your liking. The fifth step is connecting your site to dynamic data. Here, you can add and edit blog posts which allow you to manage your content without altering your website design by creating a CMS collection. The sixth step is customizing the content with localization for visitors around the world. The seventh step is getting additional help if needed by viewing the tutorial videos. Finally, once you have finished customizing the template and feel confident, you can publish your site. This is the overall process of how to create a blog website in Webflow. Thank you for watching.